Okay, so now that we have everything set up and you have a phone that has a mini stereo in, then you'll be able to connect your Vodcaster and then use AKG Mic in order to capture your audio for a broadcast or a live stream. But here's the thing, you might think that you want to connect it to the part that is labeled for the phone, which is here, but actually that didn't work for me, so I had to connect it to the camera part right there. And then this part, this cable here is the one I use, and I'm connecting it to the Android phone like this. And then once it's connected, we're going to listen to our AKG mic, and the video you're going to see next is the actual recording of how this all works together so you can use your AKG mic. Okay, we have now connected our AKG microphone, audio check 1, 2, 3, via the Vodcaster One, audio check 1, 2, 3, and this is exactly how it sounds like if you have a phone that has a mini stereo jack input, and you're going to connect it via the camera output, audio check 1, 2, 3.